In this video, I will be showing how to use or change the deck type in Risa Floor. As you can see in this plan, we have some red area which are using metal deck and green area which are using composite deck. In order to change the deck, you can go to the deck definition spreadsheet. As you can see that we have the composite deck and metal deck listed as a label. In order to change it, you can click the material type column and hit this button. You can see we have different manufacturers being listed out here, and ASC, all the ASC decks are listed over here as well. So here, if you select the manufacturer, you can select different deck type based on the concrete thickness, normal or lightweight concrete, and also your metal deck properties. Similarly, you can also change your roof deck. Here, also we have ASC roof deck and a steel deck being listed as a manufacturer, so you can here pick different deck based on your project need. So here, after you select all these decks, all the deck self-weight will be automatically calculated and applied to the structure as dead load. Also, if you're using composite deck and you have some beams that you want to consider as a composite beam, all the deck properties you selected will be applied to the code check for this composite beam. This concludes this video. If you have more questions, feel free to go to risa.com or go to our Risa Tech YouTube channel for more information.